Hi guys, it's Anna, one of your content creators, and I'm going to take you through a day in my life. So I've got meetings today with my law firm, then I've got to go to the library and do lots of research for my report, then I think I'm going for lunch. So I left my house after having some breakfast, got the metro into town and went to my firm meeting, which was for 2 hours. We were looking at reflective presentations, which is part of our module. Then I had a Mexican cooking class, which is one of the Be Part of It events that I attended. The first dish was some garlic and herb wedges, so we cut them into wedge slices, and here's Seal smiling because we're getting yummy food. And then here was our guacamole and salsa. Then we got to take all of our beautiful creations home, and as you can see, we are very happy. Then after that I walked back to the library, knuckled down and spent about 3 hours in there doing my research report. And then after that, me and my flatmates decided to go to the Lippmann building to play some Scrabble as a reward for all our hard work.